The Pamir Mountains, a place of soaring peaks and icy winds. They are known as the roof of the world. These mountains stand guard over Central Asia. Tajikistan, a small country, is nestled among them. The Pamirs are a harsh and beautiful land. They are a testament to the power of nature. These mountains have witnessed the rise and fall of empires. They have seen the passage of caravans and armies. The Pamirs hold secrets whispered on the wind. They are a land of ancient traditions and modern challenges. The story of the abandoned Soviet weather station in Murgab is one such tale. It is a story of ambition, decline, and the enduring spirit of the people who call this place home. The town of Murgab lies in the heart of the Pamirs. It sits at an elevation of over 11,000 feet. Murgab is one of the highest settlements in the world. The town was founded in 1895 by the Russian Empire. It began as a military outpost. Its purpose was to secure the borderlands of a vast empire. During the Soviet era, Murgab grew in importance. The town became a vital link in the Soviet Union's network of weather stations. These stations tracked weather patterns across the vast territory. The data they collected was crucial. It was used for everything. Agriculture, aviation, and even military planning depended on this information. The weather station in Murgab played a vital role during the Cold War. It was a key observation point. The station monitored weather patterns. These patterns often originated in the West. They then swept across the Soviet Union. The data collected in Murgab provided valuable insights. It informed Soviet meteorologists. It helped them understand the weather. This understanding was crucial for a nation spanning 11 time zones. The station was a source of pride for the Soviet Union. It was a symbol of scientific progress. The station represented the Soviet Union's commitment to understanding and controlling the natural world. The men and women who worked at the station were highly skilled. They endured harsh conditions to perform their duties. Their work was essential for the Soviet Union. The collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991 had a profound impact on Murgab. The town, once a symbol of Soviet ambition, was left adrift. The withdrawal of Soviet subsidies had a devastating effect on the local economy. The weather station, once a source of pride, fell into disrepair. With no funds for maintenance, the station's equipment began to fail. The once gleaming instruments, now rusted and silent, stand as a reminder of a bygone era. The buildings, once bustling with activity, are now empty shells, their windows broken, their paint peeling. The station, once a beacon of scientific progress, is now a ghost of its former self. Section 5. A harsh reality, life on the edge. Life in Murgab has always been challenging. The town's remote location and extreme altitude make for, well, a harsh existence. Winters are long and brutal. Temperatures can plummet to -40 degrees Celsius. Summers, on the other hand, are short and dry. The thin air makes even the simplest tasks difficult. Despite the challenges, the people of Murgab are resilient. They have learned to adapt to their environment. They rely on traditional practices. These practices help them survive in this unforgiving landscape. They herd sheep and yaks. They cultivate hardy crops like barley and potatoes. Life here is a constant struggle against the elements, but the people of Murgab endure. Section 6. Echoes of Empire Murgab's uncertain future. The abandoned weather station in Murgab is a potent symbol. It represents the challenges faced by many former Soviet republics. These republics are grappling with the legacy of empire. They are trying to build a new future. They face economic hardship, political instability, and environmental degradation. Murgab's fate is uncertain. The decline of the Pamir Highway, once a vital economic artery, has isolated the town. The lack of job opportunities has led to an exodus of young people. The town's population has dwindled. The future remains uncertain. Section 7. Whispers of the past, the station's legacy. Despite its current state, the weather station in Murgab is a reminder of a time when science and progress were highly valued. It is a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the people who work there. The station may be abandoned, but its story is not forgotten. The station's legacy lives on in the memories of those who work there. It lives on in the data it collected. This data continues to be studied by scientists today. The station may be a ruin, but it still offers valuable insights. It helps us understand the changing climate of Central Asia. Section 8. A changing climate, a changing world. The Pamir Mountains are on the front lines of climate change. The glaciers that feed the region's rivers are shrinking. This shrinkage is happening at an alarming rate. This poses a serious threat to the livelihoods of millions of people. These people depend on these rivers for water. They need water for drinking, for irrigation, and for hydropower. The abandoned weather station in Murghab is a stark reminder. It reminds us of the interconnectedness of our world. It underscores the urgent need for action on climate change. It reminds us that the choices we make today will have consequences for generations to come. Section 9. The future of the Pamirs. The future of the Pamir Mountains, like the future of the abandoned weather station in Murghab, is uncertain. The challenges are real and complex, but there is hope. The people of the Pamirs are resilient, they are resourceful, they are deeply connected to their land. There is a growing awareness of the need to protect this fragile ecosystem. There is a commitment to finding sustainable solutions. The story of the abandoned weather station in Murghab is a reminder. It reminds us that even in the face of adversity, there is always hope. It reminds us that the human spirit, like the mountains themselves, is capable of enduring great challenges. It reminds us that the future is not predetermined, it is ours to shape.